Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art and Craft with Anshika. And today I am going to show you my art material that I am purchased online. So without any delay, let's get open it. And I am already open this pack. And all the material link in description box, you can check and buy this material. And this is paint brush kit. So this is Kiki paint brush and this price in market 1299 rupees and this price in Flipkart 749 rupees, and so many difference in both price, market price and Flipkart price, and I am uploaded the link in description box. You can check and buy this kit. And this is very handy. You can carry this kit very easily. And now I'm open this. So wow, here I'm speechless. Wow, this body are very beautiful, nice, and these bristles are synthetic bristles. These bristles are synthetic bristles, and look this shine, and I love it. This brushes and many shapes available in this pack like filbert brush, liner brush, flat brush, round brush, fan brush. Many brushes shape available in this pack. And this is palette knife, and this palette knife is free in this pack, and quality wise are very nice, good quality. And this is a sponge using bushes create and clouds effects, and this brush is using all the mediums: watercolor, acrylic color, oil paints, gouache paints, many mediums using these brushes. And my second material is, I'm unboxing this pack. So this is artline pencil and pack of 6 sketch pencils, and this pencil using sketching, and this is pack of 6 sketch pencils: HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B. This pencil available, and this is very convenient to sketching and right choice for beginner. And my third material is, I'm unboxing this material. And this is glass marking pencils and pack of 3 box glass marking pencil box. And this pencil pieces is 10 pieces in one box, and you can write for leather, glass, metal, vinyl, and calligraphy and glass marking pencil and etc. So this is my online shopping experience, and all the material links in description box, you can check and buy this